Hello, Karen. How are you?
Hi, Kesa. I'm
Welcome back.
okay. Thanks.
So, last time we talked about a plan for you to get over your social anxiety and anxiety in general. We talked about getting out of the house more often. How's that been going? Have you been going to the church?
So, I did talk to my sister about going with me so that I wouldn't be going by myself. And she said that she would do that like every other Sunday. So,
Every other Sunday.
yeah, every other Sunday. And so we have done that. We've done that twice. So that was okay. Not really ready to go by myself yet.
Okay.
But I'm working on it.
Has it helped your anxiety at all, or like?
Well, definitely not going by myself helps, because like if people talk to me and I don't know what to say, my sister's there and she can kind of step in and say something to help me get the conversation going. But that's been helpful. I mean, I know she's kind of busy, so every other Sunday is, good. And what I hope is that I will feel comfortable enough to be able to go by myself, like maybe in a couple of months, maybe.
Yeah. Now, has work been easier? Or
So, work is a challenge. I mean, I do a lot of my work by myself, but I'm supposed to also do customer service, and if it's just, I have more of a problem with certain people. It just make me incredibly anxious. But I'm trying to take a note of that, like when that's happening.
It sounds like a good plan.
I figure I'm trying to make it stand out to me what's so different about the times that I'm more anxious.
Now, has your mood like improved overall?
So, I think so. I mean, I still get really nervous and everything, but at least I feel like I'm doing something about it, and that helps a lot. Just feeling like I'm taking steps to make it better.
Have you had time for like self-care, like doing something you like, a hobby?
Yeah, so my anxiety keeps me in a lot, so it's easy for me to do stuff by myself. Because I like to garden, I like to do that outside, and that does a lot. I like gardening a lot, at least until the snow comes, the winter comes. I like gardening a lot, so. And
What about when the winter comes? What do you think you're gonna do?
That's a great question. So during the winter, sometimes I will read. I like to read. And I was thinking that maybe this winter I could try going to the library some.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That seems like a lesser anxiety kind of place, the library, because it's kind of quiet.
Yeah.
So that's my plan.
That seems like a pretty good plan.
Thank you. Yeah, so I guess what we should do is probably, if I can just get a couple more months of my sister going with me to church like every other Sunday, then I will set a goal date for me to go by myself without her, because this is not her regular church. She goes to a different church.
Yeah. I also wanted to add to that, making sure you're having self-care, like doing a hobby is very important for your mental health. So you're not working all the time.
Yeah, that makes sense. I
So
was
that's
thinking
very
about
important.
maybe, I don't know if I want to start a new hobby or, because reading is not doesn't get me moving around.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that probably exercise is probably good.
Yeah, just taking a walk.
Taking a walk is a good idea. I can put my headphones in
Yeah.
and then not hear anybody.
Yeah. Just be careful for cars if they drive back and forth. Be
Right,
careful for them.
right.
Well,
That sounds good.
it was great to see you again, Karen.
Thank you. It's good to see you too. So
Thank you.
another month probably.
Yeah, another month.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we'll stick with the plan.
All right, have a good day, Karen.
Thank you.